What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make cinnamon roll waffles. We're at our local Ralph's supermarket, fresh fare, whatever that means. But first step, we gotta buy the cinnamon rolls. I already have the waffle maker, so yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Let's go. Try this one. I could ask someone, but that would be too easy. Yeah, those are hot dogs. Okay. You gotta get the skin. Okay, so step one, you gotta get the skinny ones because the bigger ones, they only come with 5, and like, they don't really work on a waffle maker, you know? So we're gonna get 32 of these. I think that should be enough. Let's go. Ooh. Step number two, gotta use self-checkout because we ain't trying to waste any time, so. Watch this. So look, you're gonna scan the first one, right?
Welcome valued customer, $2.49.
Right?
If you have your shopper's card, scan it
And
now.
repeat the process another 3 times.
$2.49. $2.49. $2.49.
Okay, so as you can see, we got 32 cinnamon rolls for $9.96. So not only is this breakfast item tasty, but cheap at the same time.
If you are finished scanning,
Now we're gonna
touch
pay, and I'll
Pay
catch
Now.
you after that. All right, so back at the house, waffle maker out, plate for placing, fork for moving. Got the cinnamon rolls in the fridge. We're about to get started. I'm just gonna plug the waffle maker in to get it warmed up. Now, if you got a waffle maker like mine, there's a little knob at the top and you can adjust from minimum to maximum heat. Now, I like to keep mine just a tad off the minimum side. So, I don't know if you can see, but it's about right here. Now, a green light will come on when it's ready, and we'll be ready to throw on the cinnamon rolls. Yeah, I'm about to take those out and then we'll get started. Waffle maker's green, ready to go. Got the cinnamon rolls out right here. Just going to follow the directions. So there's a little tab right here. Grab that, if I can get it.
There you go. So it's gonna kind of, you'll see. So, peel this baby off, nice and clean. All right. Now, it says on it, press the spoon. Ah! Oh, shit. Whoa.
Anyways, yeah, you can push with a spoon, but apparently you can do it with your finger as well. But yeah, here they are. Just throw these on the plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here is the frosting, which, of course, we drizzle on after. Wait, just kidding. We got one more in here. Make that 8. Perfect. All right, now, just a standard waffle maker, so we're only gonna be able to put 4 on at a time, so. All right, so we got the waffle maker here, cinnamon rolls. Just gonna throw these babies on. There you go. Number 2. And you can see, basically just put 1 in each little triangle. And let's see, center it as much as you can. And last one. Now, I'm gonna close this. Ooh, hear the sizzle. And then flip it. So this light is on right now. It's actually gonna turn off, and then once it comes back on again, that means it'll be done. Light's back on. Flip it over. And there we go. Alright, so now that we got the waffles done, we just gotta get the icing. And we're gonna throw that in the microwave because, see, it's been refrigerated, so it's not very, runny. I don't know, runny. And we're just gonna throw that in the microwave, so microwave, boom. Throw that baby in. I'm gonna put it on for 30 seconds, so just, oh. I just got a new microwave, so I'm trying to figure it out. 30. All right, so got the icing right here. Just gonna do a little drizzle. What's nice with cinnamon roll waffles is that it stays in the little squares. So boom, get a little drizzle. Finish it off. Boom. That right there is how you make cinnamon roll waffles.
All right. See you, Jarrett.
Yeah, yesterday.
Marty, what do you think of my future wife?
I smell cinnamon rolls.
Oh, I smell cinnamon rolls too.